Terra Classic votes on forming core development team and what's next for Lunc. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with that. The Terra Classic votes on forming core development team. The Terra Classic community is currently engaged in a crucial vote that could shape the future direction of the blockchain. Proposal 12093, titled Establish a Terra Classic Team, has been submitted and seeks approval to create a dedicated development team. This proposed team would be funded directly through the community pool and assume responsibility for managing advancements on the Terra Classic chain. The disbanding of the joint L1 Task Force Development Group earlier this year has created a void in Lunc's leadership. The new proposal aims to fill that gap with a community-appointed team of developers and essential contributors who would be paid a monthly salary. If passed, this team would work directly to advance the Terra Classic blockchain. The exact structure, responsibilities, and salary expectations of this team would be the subject of future discussion and proposals. The Terra LUNA Classic community and validators would collaborate on the Commonwealth platform to determine these crucial details. If this initial proposal fails to achieve community support, the parameters would be subject to revision and a new proposal would be presented. The voting on this proposal demonstrates a diverse range of community viewpoints. Thus far, support seems strong, with 82% of votes in favor. Of the key validators, 5 have voted yes and 6 voted no. Some community members have expressed concerns that this structure could lead to centralization and a potential conflict with project-based payments for developers. There have also been calls for stricter developer KYC requirements. According to data from CoinMarketCap, Lunc's price has experienced a 7% increase over the last day and currently trades at 0.300107. The outcome of this vote holds significant implications for the Terra Classic project. This new development team could potentially inject renewed energy and focus into the advancement of the chain. However, it's crucial to weigh the potential benefits against the concerns expressed by some community members. Let's also talk about why buy Terra Classic amid bloodshed and uncertainty. Lunc price has experienced a minor rise in value over the past day, mirroring a mundane trading environment across the crypto market. This token commenced trading today with a modest bearish trend, further accentuating disinterest among investors ahead of Bitcoin halving this month. However, over the past few weeks, Lunc has attracted significant attention from investors and traders due to its rising trajectory. However, the market is now in a consolidation phase as investors evaluate the potential long-term viability of these gains amidst wider market conditions. Terra Classic's price has modestly retreated by 2.47%, settling at $0.30107. This slight downturn accompanies a market capitalization drop of 2.30%, which now hovers around $629 million. Concurrently, trading activity has dipped by 45% with the 24-hour volume amounting to $65 million. Terra Classic's technical structure remained relatively suppressed in the last week, recording a 20% decline. This signaled rising optimism among investors preferring to sell Lunc as opposed to buying the token. The cryptocurrency's trading price hovered between $0.40's $95 and $0.30's $109 at the time of writing, indicating a downward shift in momentum. Over the previous month, a 34% drop points to a possible short-term depreciation in its value, which could begin to take root in the coming weeks. In a recent development, the Terra LUNA Classic community has initiated a vote on a significant proposal aimed at forming a dedicated core team. This new team will oversee the developments and decisions of the Terra LUNA Classic blockchain. The necessity for this arose after the dissolution of the earlier core developer group, the joint L1 Task Force, in March. The community is now considering proposal number 12093, titled Establish a Terra Classic Team. This initiative, presented for a community vote via the station wallet, advocates for the creation of a community-elected group. If bullish trends re-emerge, a push above the $0.30's $14 mark could reignite Lunc's price upward trajectory. This surge could challenge the $0.30's $15 resistance level and push the price towards $0.20's $1. Conversely, growing market doubts might push the asset down to the $0.40's $90 support level. A sustained decrease could further drive the price down to $0.40's $8, posing additional challenges for Terra Classic. The technical indicators for Lunc on the daily chart reveal a range of insights for traders. Currently, the RSI hovers around the 36 mark, signaling a neutral momentum in market sentiment. The MACD analysis signals an ongoing downtrend, with the MACD line and signal line maintaining positions below the zero mark. Let's also talk about, will Lunc remain on its downward trajectory? Terra Classic's continued drops from the 0.30's $15 level have resulted in negative predictions for the token's imminent performance. More precisely, Terra Classic bears believe that Lunc could trade below the 0.30's $10 level by the end of 2024. Lunc traded around the 0.30's $13 mark during the second week of April, meaning Terra Classic could decrease by more than 23.07%. However, Terra Classic bulls expect significant surges over the next Lunc price movements due to several factors, such as the important V242 chain upgrade, which went live on March 25th. Additionally, analysts point out that the Terra Classic community has burnt over 110 billion Lunc tokens. Thus, some market experts have suggested Lunc as one of the top crypto coins to buy today, stating that Terra Classic could rise as high as 0.30's $25 by the end of December. And lastly, let's talk about, how will Terra Classic reach $1? Despite the significant setback, the Terra ecosystem is not without hope. Luna Classic's potential for recovery depends on several key factors, including the success of the burn program, the support of its vibrant community, and the pace of protocol development. Luna Classic continues to operate under the name Terra Classic, with its token rebranded as Lunc. One of the standout features of Luna Classic is its lively community, which remains one of the most vibrant in the cryptosphere. This community-led resilience raises an important question. Can Luna Classic make a comeback and reach the $1 mark? To answer this question, we need to consider the current challenges and future prospects of Luna Classic, as well as the broader market trends and technological advancements that may impact its price trajectory. Luna Classic faces several challenges on its path to potential recovery and reaching $1. One of the primary issues is the hyperinflation of Lunc tokens, which resulted from the collapse of the Terra ecosystem and the subsequent conversion of UST to Luna. The massive supply of Lunc has contributed to its lackluster performance and poses a hurdle to achieving a higher valuation. To tackle this challenge, the Luna Classic community has initiated a burn program aimed at reducing the supply of Lunc tokens. This program involves burning Lunc transaction fees, effectively removing tokens from circulation and increasing scarcity. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, has also joined forces with the Luna Classic community to implement a burn mechanism that destroys tokens equivalent to the fees collected from trading Lunc. While the burn program shows promise, its impact on reducing the supply of Lunc tokens has been relatively small thus far. Despite efforts to decrease the circulating supply, there are still trillions of Lunc tokens in circulation. The burn rate needs to be significantly higher to have a measurable impact on the token's hyperinflated supply and potentially drive up the price. Predicting the future price of Luna Classic is a challenging task, given the volatility and uncertainty of the crypto market. However, various predictions have been made regarding the potential price of Luna Classic in the coming years. According to some analysts, the maximum price Lunc could reach is projected to be around 0.30's $304 in 2025 and 0.30's $739 in 2030. These projections are based on current market trends and the assumption that the burn program and community support continue to drive the token's potential recovery. It's important to note that these price predictions are speculative and subject to change based on a wide range of factors, including market conditions, regulatory developments, and technological advancements. The crypto market is highly unpredictable, and investors should exercise caution when making investment decisions. So how do you think? Will Lunc reach 0.30's $2 by the end of April? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.